Hello everyone, I am Dattatrenikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is little surprise. As you need to see the complete video to reveal what is the surprise in this video. And definitely I can tell you this surprise will definitely help you to enhance your knowledge and understanding. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos related created various topics of engineering fundamentals, instrumentation and engineering deliverables, telecommunication engineering, procurement engineering, project and career, and renewable energy, and many more. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is surprise. Hello everyone, welcome you all for a basic learning course on instrumentation and control engineering. As this video or course will help you to understand the basic related to the instrumentation, control system and other aspects of instrumentation, where we will cover basic fundamentals, applications of instrumentation and the various types of deliverables produced by instrumentation and control discipline under the engineering related work. And this course will help you to keep your basic right and fundamental. So this course is made for you only. Please register and get the details of this course. Under this course of a basic learning course on instrumentation and control engineering, where we will take you to the various aspects related to offshore and onshore facilities. So here one can see in a figure where the overview of an oil and gas facilities, where one can see the offshore facilities are shown in a sea, then the gas processing facilities at the shore where the interconnecting pipelines are shown. Then further it will take you to the pipeline and transportation, and then it will take you to the refining and petrochemical for necessary processing. And here the crude oils will be taken from the offshore as well as the onshores, where one can see how the oil is being extracted and further processing. And similarly another sector, that is liquefied natural gas, also it will be taken, where instrumentation and control plays an important and a major role for their control, monitoring and associated actions. Industries served by engineer and designer. Engineers are employed in a range of modern industries such as manufacturing, environmental, health, food production, mining and energy production. One can see in a below images where all the multidiscipline engineering as well as the various sectors are covered in this video, which is served by engineers and designers. Multidiscipline engineering and engineering activities. We are quickly review multidiscipline engineering and their engineering activities. One can see in a presentation various multidiscipline engineerings are process engineering, civil structural engineering, mechanical engineering, plant design and piping engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation and controls engineering. And adjacent figure, one can see the various disciplines with their engineering activities. Process engineering with conceptual design, process simulation, design optimization, P&IDs and PFDs, system engineering as of studies, civil structural and architectural, geotechnical buildings, foundations, structures, pipe rack, piping engineering, specification, stress analysis, pipe support, pipe and equipment arrangement, procurement, purchasing, expediting, shop inspection and shipping, construction, installation and commissioning, project manager and engineering, overall project leadership, electrical and instrumentation, generation, distribution, power and lighting, UPS, control system, field instrumentation, mechanical engineering, rotating equipment, pressure vessel, heat exchanger, package equipment and attended piping. These are the activities covered by various multiple discipline engineering.
Just open udemy.com where you can see the lot of learning courses are done by the various creator. One of them is me, where I have made the course. One can see how to find it, learning course on instrumentation and control engineering. Just click search, and there one can see almost 10,000 results we have found for the learning course on instrumentation and control engineering. One can scroll below, you will see the courses which are paid courses are created by the various created, and definitely it will help you to enhance your technical knowledge. But for eFunda family, I have created this, how you can search, sort by the newest one. And the first course which will come is our course, that is a learning course on instrumentation and control engineering, which is absolutely free, created for all those who wanted to learn or understand the aspects of the instrumentation and control discipline for their industrial applications, were mainly being used in the engineering field, so that one can keep your basic right. And this is a course which is created for almost 1.5 total hours, including 30 lectures, which will take you to all the aspects of the instrumentation. And in case somebody wants to have a more details, they can visit to our eFunda channel and watch all the videos created on the various topics which are included in this course. We'll find the details on our channel. So keep watching our eFunda channel, and also register for this course for absolutely free and get privilege to get the fundamental details on instrumentation and control engineering. Thank you.
With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, and you can find our channel details as follows. If you are new to our channel, that is our YouTube channel eFunda, then subscribe to our channel eFunda, and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest notification of upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Similarly, you can follow us on a Instagram page. Similarly, you can follow us on our Facebook page as well. And keep watching our channel eFunda for various topics related to engineering and a project. With this, we can assure you this will help you to better your understanding on engineering and a project topic. Keep watching our channel eFunda. Thanks. Watch our channel for new day, new topic.